Welcome back to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into something that has literally shattered the barrier to entry for anyone looking to create professional-level designs. I mean, if you've ever stared blankly at a screen, totally intimidated by complex design software, you are definitely in the right place. The massive 2026 AI updates to Canva have entirely changed the game for beginners. What used to take hours of frustrating tutorials and years of practice, yeah, that can now be knocked out in minutes. Okay, let's dive into this because the contrast defining the design industry right now is absolutely striking. The old reality was, well, rough. We're talking expensive software, impossibly steep learning curves, and just a massive time investment. But look at the new reality. We're talking about utilizing a completely free platform where zero experience is needed. With Canva's new AI features, you can generate a professional-grade output for a client or just your own social media in 10 minutes. The playing field hasn't just been leveled, it's been completely redesigned from the ground up. Section 1. Building a brand in minutes. So, how do we actually pull this off? Let's trace that zero-to-hero journey. We're transforming an intimidating blank canvas into a complete, cohesive brand identity, even if you literally don't have a single day of graphic design experience. Setting up a brand kit used to be this tedious, highly technical task. Now, it's just a few dead simple steps. You can grab an image, say a photograph with a cool, sustainable, nature-based aesthetic, upload it, and Canva instantly extracts a perfect color palette from it. From there, you just use a quick text prompt to ask the AI for a logo. And finally, use Canva's built-in pairing guides to lock in your typography rules. In seconds, you've built a foundation that previously required a full-fledged creative agency and way too many back-and-forth emails. And honestly, when it comes to ideation, the speed is just incredible. 5. That's the sheer velocity of options you have right at your fingertips. If you aren't completely sold on your new logo or color theme, you can ask the Canva AI to instantly generate 5 different variations. You don't have to manually tweak a single pixel. You just give the command, kick back, and choose the one that works best for your brand. Moving right along to Section 2, Magic Studio AI Workflows.
Now, what's really interesting here is how much of the heavy lifting gets automated for social media managers and founders. Once you've got your brand identity locked in, it's time to actually apply it to your content. And Magic Studio acts like an entire creative agency right in your browser. You've got Magic Write to instantly rewrite or completely change the tone of your text. Magic Edit lets you effortlessly brush over an object to swap it out. Magic Expand fixes broken aspect ratios by using AI to dream up and generate the missing scenery. And of course, the legendary one-click background remover. These tools completely eliminate the tedious clicking and masking that used to make photo editing such a chore.
To really put this into perspective, let's look at some specific, relatable scenarios from our source material. Let's say you're designing something for a corporate lighting company. You have a stock photo of an office ceiling, but it's super boring. With Magic Edit, you just brush over the ceiling, type glowing smart lights, and boom, the AI seamlessly blends them right into the scene. Or say you're making a post for a pet grooming service. The template features a dog, but you really need a cat. You literally just brush over the dog, prompt the AI, and instantly you have a realistic, perfectly placed cat. It's incredibly fast. Now, to make sure your new graphics don't look like a messy Frankenstein collage of random stock photos, Canva has this brilliant style match feature. You simply find an illustration style you love, tell the AI to copy that exact style, and then apply it to entirely new elements. It automatically syncs the colors and line art styles. This maintains a beautifully consistent, non-stock look across all your posts or presentation slides, and you never have to draw a single line. Section 3. Video editing on autopilot. Let's move our journey from static images to dynamic video, right? Because in today's landscape, if you want a viral channel, you absolutely need video. And surprisingly, you don't need to hire a professional video editor anymore. Here is how frictionless this workflow actually is. At 0 seconds, you drop in your clips. By second 2, you hit balance all, and the AI instantly fixes your messy audio levels, perfectly balancing the background music with your voiceover. By 5 seconds, the AI has auto-generated styled captions for the whole video. And by the 10-second mark, you're scheduling that video directly to Instagram or TikTok using the built-in content planner. It turns an hours-long headache into just a few clicks. But what if you don't even have video clips to begin with? Honestly, that's fine. Canva has a Create with AI effect that can take a simple static photo like an open meadow or a quick shot of your product and magically animate it into up to 5 seconds of cinematic video. It's literally the perfect, instantly generated hook for a social media post. All right, Section 4, Creating Games with AI Code. Okay, we are now pushing way beyond traditional graphic design. Let's define this clearly because it is groundbreaking. Canva Code, this wild new 2026 feature, allows users to generate fully functional web applications, interactive simulators, and even 2D and 3D games directly inside the Canva interface, using nothing but text prompts. This proves Canva is no longer just a layout tool, guys. It has evolved into a complete digital ecosystem. And this brilliantly illustrates just how accessible this tech has become. To make a game, a completely non-technical beginner can literally ask an AI like ChatGPT for a game prompt, copy it, paste that prompt into Canva's AI code feature, and hit run. Within moments, the AI writes the code and outputs a playable game right there on your screen. You can essentially build a game with a single line of pasted text. It's a massive leap forward. Which brings us to Section 5, Canva versus Adobe Firefly. So Canva is clearly magic for beginners, right? But here is the vital question we have to ask to ground all this excitement in some objective industry analysis. Is Canva actually enough for high-end professional agency work? While Canva's AI is an absolute superpower for beginners and marketers who are shipping huge volumes of content, professional designers often require something entirely different. Let's see how this builds when we contrast them side by side. We see a pretty clear divide. Canva Magic Studio is built for founders and social managers. It absolutely dominates when it comes to speed, bulk resizing, and making handoffs easy for non-designers. But Adobe Firefly, running inside tools like Photoshop and Illustrator, well, that's the territory of art directors. Firefly owns the space for high-fidelity compositing, pixel-perfect edge handling, reliable print outputs, and super precise vector control. So what's the actual recommended stack here based on our sources? Well, if you're a local brand launching weekly promos, or you're running a fast-paced B2B content engine, use Canva. The speed is just unbeatable. But if you're creating direct-to-consumer e-commerce lookbooks, you want a hybrid stack. Canva for your social crops and email blasts, but Firefly for those high-end hero shots. And for agencies, the playbook is pretty much to draft your concepts quickly in Canva for client review, but then lock in the final, polished assets over in Adobe Firefly. It honestly all boils down to this one incredibly memorable rule of thumb from the source material. If volume is greater than finish, go Canva. If finish is greater than volume, go Firefly. It really is that simple. And that wraps up our explainer on this massive shift. The barriers to entry have officially been demolished. The technology is free, it's impossibly fast, and it's just sitting there waiting for you. So, I'll leave you with this. Which tool will you use to conquer the blank canvas today? Stop procrastinating, dive in, and start creating your own zero-to-hero workflow. Catch you in the next one.